Elliot,
Do you see the menu for the week got posted?
I did. Are you planning to go in the office?
I'm gonna try and go in tomorrow at least. We'll see.
Maybe I'll take a look. I don't remember what tomorrow was. It's not every day are they going to have anything I can eat.
Tomorrow is fajitas. That's why I was thinking about going in. I like fajitas.
If I pull the onions off, I can eat the meat.
Yeah, I may not make it in. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, it's an hour out of my day just to go into the office and come back.
Oh well, yeah, then don't, man. That's easy. My trip in is a lot faster,
Yeah, it's about
usually.
it's about 25 minutes on the way in and about 35 minutes on the way back.
Yeah, I live a little closer, I think.
Yeah, sounds like it.
So I'm off I can't remember the name of the one of the Peachtree exits.
Of
285.
ah, okay. I'm up 400.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm saying I'm a bit closer, I think.
Uh, uh, Hi, everybody.
Hey guys. Hi.
It's somewhere around the middle of the month. I think that Fred is.
Yeah,
Fred,
Slack,
yeah,
dude.
yeah, he's going to be, I think, 16, 17, 18.
Oh, cool.
I'm pretty sure those are the dates.
That's when he'll be in Atlanta.
Yeah, I'm now speaking with Shlomi Ziv and trying to convince him to concentrate all his customer meetings to any given 2 days. So we will have an entire day for him for Pyrsia. And then I'll come over as well.
Sounds good. Where are you?
Nashville.
Oh, close.
Yep. 4
Nice.
hours and I'm there.
Yeah, I'm originally from Memphis. So
that's another 3. All right.
Honestly, I can do it in 6, but I skip Nashville. So
Yeah.
that's if I go through Birmingham.
Should we start or are we waiting still?
Oh, yeah. I think Satinder said that he won't be with us today.
Oh,
Well, let's just get the party started then.
yeah.
Okay. Well, I continue to be working on getting torrents into the distributed hash table. I have it about 90% done, except for being able to test that they're there. Rather than make the pull request bigger, I'm splitting up into 2 pieces because I'm going to have to add something to get the asynchronous result of a Kademlia operation from the behavior module. And so that will make a big PR even bigger. So I'm going to be preparing the PR for that after this meeting, and then I'll begin the next part of the work. Who's next?
I'll go
I'll go.
real quick.
Oh, go ahead. Mhm.
Sorry. Yeah, I spent this morning doing some code reviews and catching up on email and fixing some tooling issues. And I that's really all I have to report for now. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, for me, just going to start focusing on starting up the app installer as daemons. So that will be next on the list there, and that will be only for a native Ubuntu install. The Docker doesn't need it, but I have to put some logic in the installer to deal with that.
All right, I'll go next. So I spent a whole bunch of time last week, most of last week, desperately trying to get Tendermint integration working of any kind. And Tendermint is dead on arrival. I'm putting together a white paper, just kind of outlining everything I've found so that, I don't know, so that I'm actually doing something other than hitting dead ends. But I won't get into a lot of details until we actually do the presentation, which I think, Chris, I think we're going to be doing it tomorrow after stand up. I don't know. It's not clear to me when, but I'm planning on having it ready by tomorrow. So that's it.
Silly question. Your answer may be it needs to be a separate meeting, but is there some reason that we are not finding it more practical to initially use an existing blockchain engine that's external to us?
Like Tendermint?
It's not a blockchain engine. BigChain DB, Hyperledger Fabric.
They call themselves a blockchain platform, which includes the engine and the fault tolerance and the distribution.
I mean, that not to put too fine a point on it, all of that would be great if your next words were, and it works great.
Right. So therein lies everything. I'll consider anything that actually works, and I just keep hitting dead ends, just dead ends, just dead ends.
No, let's save it for tomorrow's meeting. But I'm interested to hear. It's after stand up. I'm interested to hear the research on blockchain everyone's been doing. So
yeah, I had started a long time ago to do a POC with BigChain DB, so I can talk about that if anybody's interested.
Yeah, I mean, we just need to get through stand up, I think, but we can revisit it after, I think, if everybody's interested.
Apparently tomorrow is the time to talk about it.
Okay. Yeah, for me, I continue work on the communication between the different laws on the blockchain. Yeah, and now I could send and receive the message, but now today I will continue to do the share the data between different threads. Yeah, that's all.
Yesterday, last Friday, I had finished working on manifest integration, and also I added a bunch of test cases and improved the existing one. And now I have, so first of all, if anybody, I know Elliot has done it, so can you guys please review my PR, because my another PR is blocking this PR. So I have 2 PRs in a row, and then I am continuing working on putting the package version metadata in Kademlia, so that we can use it for node communication.
Right, so I'll go next. So I have commented a pretty long comment on the future steps we can take to support Docker push scenarios. I have asked, Mark has commented already, and maybe the comment is meant to be like a starting point, maybe. And I've pointed Chris Krohn from Docker to it as well. So he will take some time this week to give his view on things as well. And the idea was that we can start to decide what road to take after demo for the Docker push. So it's not very urgent. And next to that, I've started also with Yuri on the integration testing issue. That's it.
Erwin, is that the Docker push an issue, or is it part of like one of the tasks on the project board?
It was discussed last week after the demos that Indra gave. That he was preparing for questions about Docker push scenarios, because we know we are not going to show this in the demo. You can read about it. I think it's issue 127. It's
Okay.
all there.
That's what I
Read
was
it,
looking for.
please.
Yep.
Read it. It's nice
Thank you.
to get your head around it. Who's next?
I see Chris joined and Steve Chen are the only two I don't think have gone yet.
I don't remember Friday. I'm pretty sure I worked on the technical blog though. And today I'm sticking my face back into my hackathon stuff. So that's what I'm doing now.
Did we miss anyone?
Yeah, and nothing exciting for me unless you want to hear about all the fun administrivia I'm blocking everyone else from.
Steve, did you ever hear anything back from the OpenSSF yet? On like what steps we need to do for become a project?
Yeah, so we discussed it at the TAC. You were on the TAC last Tuesday,
No, I
right?
missed.
Oh, you
I
missed the
wasn't there.
TAC?
Yeah.
Okay, so I opened it up, got a good amount of support from folks on the call who were like, hey, these guys are trying to actually just follow the process and we need to give them an answer. The challenge is that there isn't currently a definition for what it takes to become a project. I think maybe Luke took the action item to go off and draft up something as a proposal.
Okay, so it's on their side to draft something up.
But I think also there didn't seem like they would be willing to actually make a decision until the new TAC gets inaugurated.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, there's work in progress. People know.
Okay, just want to make sure that there wasn't anything on our to-do list that I was
Yeah,
missing.
and I think like at each TAC meeting, we should just make a point of having something to say or do or show related to the project, which would be relevant. Like once we get the new TAC in, I'd like to maybe schedule a demo for the TAC, right?
Sounds good.
Yeah, I'll just take another stab at the README today after the addition of how to run multiple peers. There are still the comments that I made last time out there for the prerequisites of whatever Xcode to build on Mac and what's not. I'll create a pull request, another like new pull request today for that.
All right. I mean, I think everybody's gone at this point. Is there anything for after stand up? Did anybody have a demo or anything?
Nope.
All right. Well, I guess that's it then. Talk soon.
See ya.
Talk tomorrow.
Thanks.
Bye.
Yep. Bye, guys.